The 2025 Old West Balloon Fest comes to a close, setting the stage for future celebrations. The fabulous 2025 Old West Balloon Fest has officially concluded, leaving organizers to eagerly anticipate the upcoming events in 2026. This year's festivities captured the hearts of attendees, providing an unforgettable experience despite a few challenges. The excitement began on Thursday night at the Western Nebraska Community College's WNCC Night Glow event. Unfortunately, due to unexpected windy weather conditions, the anticipated inflation of the balloons couldn't take place. However, spectators were not left disappointed. Instead, they watched a striking display known as candlesticking, where the propane burners shot impressive flames straight up into the night sky, creating a mesmerizing scene that delighted everyone present. On Friday morning, the event truly took off, quite literally, at the Mitchell Airfield, where numerous hot air balloons ascended into the beautiful valley sky. As these vibrant balloons filled the horizon, it was nothing short of breathtaking, transforming the landscape into a canvas of color. However, as Mother Nature often reminds us, she can be unpredictable. On both Saturday and Sunday, the planned mass ascension was thwarted by nature's forces, as weather briefings indicated that the wind conditions were too dangerous for pilots to safely launch their balloons. It serves as a reminder of how weather can significantly impact outdoor events, a point that many might take for granted. Fortunately, the weekend ended on a high note. Saturday night offered a spectacular opportunity for Mitchell to showcase its turn to host the Night Glow festivities, which concluded with an exciting and visually stunning drone show. The combination of glowing balloons and dazzling drones left a lasting impression, ensuring that attendees left with smiles on their faces. Looking ahead, 2026 Old West Balloon Fest is poised for an exciting partnership as it synchronizes with the return of the U.S. National Hot Air Balloon Championship. This collaboration promises to bring an even larger spectacle to the community, raising anticipation for what's to come. What are your thoughts on this year's challenges and triumphs? Did you attend the fest and notice anything that stood out to you? Let's spark some discussion in the comments below.